Are you looking to be successful on TikTok Shop as the affiliate in the TikTok Creators Reward Program? Well, me too. So first I want to say, hit that subscribe button and also turn your notifications on so you won't miss any time.
Yo, it's Shanergy, Life by Shanergy. Let's go. From TikTok T to side hustle stacks, blowing up strong. Yeah, I'm never looking back. Fitness, finesse, I'm keeping it lit. Social media queen, got the hustle and grit. Cashing in with reels, trying to win. Vibes stay real from the start to the end. Story times, wow. Come sip this tea. Subscribe, tune in. It's Shanergy.
So if you're looking to be successful in the TikTok Shop Creators Reward Program, then stick around because I am too. This is a short video on how to be successful in the TikTok Shop Creator Reward Program. I went and compiled some tips from different creators that are doing successful in the TikTok Shop. They got different tips and advice for you if you wanting to get into the TikTok Shop Creators Reward Program. So I'm going to insert those here and I'll come back later and we can discuss them.
If you're doing TikTok Shop and you're not quite seeing the sales yet, keep going. But also, you don't have to work as hard as you think you do. Stop trying to recreate the daggone wheel. I started my TikTok Shop journey back in September. Oh my God, say that 10 times fast. But yeah, I started my journey back in September and I didn't realize I was doing it all wrong until these last couple of months because I was working too hard. Not necessarily working too hard, but I was overthinking it. Like, what do I say? You know, how do I say it? Do I show up as my true self? You know, all those things. Yes, I need to show up as my true self because I enjoy the way my personality, you know, shows through camera, but I was overthinking how to say it, if you get my drift. Until I realized what actually was working for me is stop trying to recreate the wheel. Find the videos on the product that it is that you're trying to promote. Find the viral video, find several viral videos, you know, on that product and recreate them, you know, with your own spin on it, of course, but every single time that I did it, it worked for me. It's kind of like the algorithm already favors that type of content. So why try to recreate something else when you already have laid out there for you what the viral script is, how to, you know, put it in the particular format, you know, and all those things. Just recreate it, but put your spin on it. And it's continuing to work for me over and over and over again, time and time again. However, when you do get that viral video that pop off for you with that product, don't stop there. Keep recreating that same video over and over and over again with the same script. And then you will find that another video of you using that same script is going to pop off yet again. It's okay to dib and dab, you know, in different scripts, but why derail from the track of what's already working for you, you know, if that makes any sense. If you have a viral video that's already bringing in sales for you, continue to keep using that same script over and over and over again. You may be sick of hearing yourself keep repeating the same thing over and over and over again, but I'm telling you, it works. I'm not a person who likes to share, you know, my numbers too much, but it works. So the next time you're thinking about you're doing your TikTok Shop content and you're thinking about what script to say or what script to use, just go do your research already that's laid out here for you on this platform. Find the viral videos on that particular product and just recreate that same video over and over and over again. The hook, the format, the cthe, which is your call to action, all those things. And I guarantee you one of those videos is going to pop off.
Okay, what do y'all think about that? I think that's very interesting. I'm definitely going to try that out as a new TikTok creator in this program. I didn't think to do that, but on my next video, I'm going to give this a shot. I think that's a great idea. That's why I'm doing research for you guys, so you don't have to. But I am looking at different creators that are successful and taking in their advice. This is pretty good advice. I have some more creators, that's giving different tips. I'll meet you back here. I'm going to drop some more here, drop another one with some great advice.
Wonder why you're not getting any sales? TikTok Shop affiliates, please listen up. I have a special message for you guys, and I want you guys to listen to this video very, very carefully. You're not getting sales because you're starting your videos with, hey guys, look what I got today. For example, let's just use this lip gloss that's super viral right now, and I freaking love it. But you're starting your video like that. Would you watch that video, or would you have swiped? Because I would have swiped. I would have been bored already. No one knows who you are. No one cares who you are. Unless you have 1 million followers, no one's going to care who you are. Like, that sucks to say. But once you realize that, you get so far in the content creating journey. You got to remember, for a majority of your videos, they're going to land on the For You page, and that is going to be the first time somebody meets you. So when you say welcome back or hey guys, they have no idea who you are, and that was their first impression, and they're gone. They're swiping. They're out of here. Instead, you might want to start your video with, why spend $25 on a lip balm that looks exactly like this when you can get it for $9? You see how it's straight to the point? You see how I compared it to a more expensive product? Why would you spend X and X and X amount of money when you can get this one for freaking so cheap compared to the other one? Then you can kind of explain it. It looks and smells the exact same as the other high expensive brand. You can say things like the applicator is the exact same. I'm trying to just give you guys little tips and tricks, but that's kind of what you want to do. Also, remember, in your videos, you never want to say brands. You never want to say like stores. You never want to do any of that because it could get you flagged or a violation. So I always just be very, very choosy with my words, and I'll say, why spend $25 from the other brand when you can get this one for $9? So that kind of just brings, first, you have a good hook. You started the video by saying, wow, I'm going to save X and X amount of money if I spend $9 on that one compared to spending the $25 on the other brand. Somebody's going to want to stay and watch that video. You've hooked them in. Now you can kind of talk about a little bit of the similarities and why this one's just as good as the $25 one and why you should get this one instead. And then you want to end your video with a call to action. You can say, I've linked it down below in the orange shopping cart if you guys want to shop it. Or you can even make it even better and make it more like they need to get it right now or they're going to miss out on it. So I would do something like, I've linked it down below in the orange shopping cart right above my name, but you guys better hurry because they're running out of stock so fast. Something along the lines like that. I am kind of thinking on the spot, so my words get a little bit fumbled, but that's kind of what the gist of your video should look like. You want to hook a very, very good hook. You guys, if you don't have the viewers in the first 2 to 5 seconds, like, you are done. That video is trashed. So hook, little bit of details, explain the product, but not too much in detail. You want them to still be intrigued to end up buying it. That way they can find out for themselves, but you want to get the key points across in your video, and then you want to have a call to action. And sometimes in my videos, I'll say buy. Sometimes I'll say hurry and shop it. Like, it really depends. You don't really have to have it ending. Some, like I said, like the other one, the video I just posted for this on my main page, I said buy in the video, but that's because like I was applying it and very girly and very aesthetic, and I didn't want it to feel like more salesy, so I did say buy at the end. But you don't have to add it in. I feel like it definitely sometimes doesn't do your video good. So definitely take these tips and tricks if you'd like.
Okay, I feel like she has some good points too. I see what she's saying, like come in at like a price point and say like, but see, I am learning something. I didn't know that you cannot mention other brands when you're trying to do this. So that's smart to be like, come in like that, because I need to work on hooks, and that's why I am doing this, looking at these different creators. And I'm going to drop all their TikTok handles in the description so you guys can check them out, because they do have good advice on being successful at TikTok. But I have some more that have some different tips that I think is helpful too. But yeah, I think that's a good idea. I'm working on my next shop video. I got some items coming that samples that were sent to me, and I'm getting good samples. So I just need to land some sales. Now I'm getting all the free products. I got sales when it first started, but now I'm trying to, this month I only had one sale so far, but I got a bunch of free stuff. But I am trying to see how to get a sale this month, and it's something went on. Like once I hit 5,000 followers, it's like my algorithm did something weird. Like I don't know what I gotta do, but that's why I'm researching. And if you guys, on this journey too, you can learn with me. So let me see what this other creator is talking about and see what kind of tips they have.
I've made over $30,000 in TikTok shop, and so I want to come in here and give some tips and tricks of what I think is working for me. Hi, my name is Lauren, and I'm from Louisiana. I have 2 boys, a 13 and a 10-year-old. They are my absolute world. Married to my best friend of 16 years. I cannot even believe I've been married 16 years. It's insane. We live in Louisiana, if you can't tell by the bumpy roads. And girls, honestly, this whole thing has been mind-blowing. I honestly started this in October, and I didn't know what to expect. I was kind of trying to basically replace my Beachbody income. I was a Beachbody coach for 4 years, and if you know, they completely just did away with us coaches. And so I was trying to just find something to replace that income, which was about $2,000 a month. And so I was like, okay, I'm going to give this a shot and see if this works. And it did not for a long time. I worked and worked and worked, never stopped posting, never stopped learning, continued to be the student, continued to research, continued to study other successful content creators. And it wasn't until 5 months later that I had my big hit, okay, that I popped off. I was able to earn over $10,000 on one item, which was some Risen jeans from Walker Rose Boutique. And I will never, ever, ever be more grateful for the opportunity that I was given with that boutique. Like, insane. So it wasn't until 4 or 5 months later that I saw my big break, or had my big break. So I will say, if you are grinding and you're not seeing but $1 or $2 a day, and maybe you're seeing zero, maybe you're seeing $20 a day, I don't know, maybe you're seeing $100 days, but you're wanting more, please do not give up. Consistency is literally the name in this game, okay? And another tip that I want to give you is I use my back camera. I use my back camera for everything. I use cinematic view, and then when I upload to TikTok, that's when I go into adjust, and I will adjust the contrast, the brightness, and the saturation. And then I also use the filter Sunny or Original in the TikTok app, and I feel like that is what's making my videos pop. It almost looks 3D, and that's my secret. But I ain't gonna keep it, sister. I want your videos to pop too. Another tip that I will give you is I was spiraling out of control from October to January, completely overwhelmed, had so much to do. I work full-time from home, and so I was like, when am I going to post? I was posting per day. I was filming per day, editing per day, and posting per day, and it was completely burning me out, and I knew there had to be a better way. And it wasn't until I found my little guardian angel right here on TikTok shop. Her name is Shelby. She told me about batch filming. And so then I started batch filming 2 days a week on Tuesdays and Fridays, where I will actually grab I'm in the fashion niche, so I will grab outfits, okay? I will grab a headband or a hat, sunglasses, jewelry, shirt, belt, shorts, flip-flops, everything, anklet, whatever it is from TikTok shop, I will put it on head to toe, and I will do videos for each thing, okay? And I will do like 3 videos for each thing. I will turn, what's it called? Move background. So I have 2 wooden doors that I film in front of. So I'll do like 3 videos in front of the wooden door and 3 videos in front of a green door, and I may move to an outside area, but I will keep that same outfit on, and I will do videos on each item, okay? Because it's all TikTok shop, so why not? Work smarter, not harder. And then by the end of that time period, I normally batch film for about 2 hours on Tuesday and 2 hours on Friday. I can get about 100 videos created, and that's going to last me about 2 weeks, where I am not daily filming and daily editing, okay? It has been a game changer. So if you are feeling overwhelmed, you're feeling completely like you're drowning and you don't know which way to turn, first of all, take a deep breath, because God has placed this in your life for a reason. Second, I want want you to start implementing batch filming. Third, use cinematic view, use back camera. If you need to get that little clip-on camera mirror thing, it's literally, I think it's $3 and $9 shipping, so like 12 bucks, and it is a game changer. You can see if you're in frame. It's in my showcase on my main account. This is my backup account. I have 25,000 followers on my main account and have been extremely successful, seeing 5 figures every month since February. So please know that your time is coming. Do not give up. I'm rooting for you. Drop any questions you have in the comments. I love to do reply videos and help my girls. I love to see you succeed. Let's do this together. Let's hold hands and let's.
Okay, so she has some great tips too, because batch filming, that's definitely something that I need to get into, not only just for TikTok, for YouTube as well. I never really understood that. She kind of broke that down right there, and I understood it. So I'm learning a lot. I'm about to start batch filming, but she has some great pointers there. Consistency, because I'm feeling like I'm feeling that way right now. Like I said, it's like I was getting all these sales and then boom, just nothing. So I was kind of feeling like a little defeated, but then I was like, okay, I'm not gonna stop. I'm gonna keep posting. Like today I posted over 7 or 8 videos, shop videos, but I feel like I'm not posting enough. Like people are posting way more, but I got over 2,000 views today. Like I didn't get sales, but I did see a lot of people added stuff to their carts, so that did help. So these tips are great. I got a few more. I'm not gonna make this video too long, just getting a few tips on, from these creators. If you're looking to get into the TikTok shop, they're making serious money, and I feel like it's very much true, because soon as I got into the program, I was making sales. But like I said, I don't know what's happening this month, but I'm not gonna stop.
I have a tip that will help your TikTok shop videos go viral, but I need you to promise me that if you've never heard this before, that you will go and follow me. If you've never seen me before, hi, I'm Morgan, and I'm trying to grow a second account to TikTok shop. My first account has 16,000 followers, and I've made over $30,000, and I'm ready to start account number 2. So I'm gonna help you go viral in order for me to get there. So we all want that moment, right? We all want that video that just takes off and gets 1 million views and sells 10,000 products, and we make a lot of money in like 3 days. That's the dream. You see it happening to everyone else. Why isn't it happening for you? Let's talk about it. If a product only has like 34 in stock, can that product go viral? If it has 100 in stock, even 500 in stock, can it go viral? All of my viral videos have been on products that have like 5, 6, 7,000 in stock. And my theory is that the algorithm knows how much that product has in stock. It's not going to show a product to 1 million people if only 30 people can buy it. So I think if you want to go viral, if that's your goal, that you should be looking at products that have stock of 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 or more, because they actually have the potential to go viral.
Okay, I think that was great advice too. If you're gonna try to go viral, at least get products that you have enough in stock. So that makes sense. So I'm gonna end it here, but I am gonna be dropping more TikTok shop videos, giving tips and everything because I'm learning from creators that's already doing successful at TikTok shop. So I'm gonna be dropping more videos regarding this, so we can become successful at this. So if you're looking to get into the TikTok Creator Rewards program, keep following me and check out my next video. Look out for my next video, because I'll have more regarding the TikTok shop, the TikTok shop Creators Reward.